Frase Enterprise Marketing Suite App. The pros, the cons. Frase Enterprise Marketing Suite App is designed to help enterprises create, optimize, and scale content using AI, but is it the right tool for every team? On the positive side, Frase combines content research, optimization, and AI-assisted writing in one platform. It can generate topic ideas, summarize research, and suggest SEO improvements, helping marketing teams save time and improve content relevance. Many enterprises report faster content creation, better alignment with search intent, and improved collaboration across departments. The surprising truth is that even large content teams can benefit from Frase without needing deep AI expertise. However, there are limitations. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI alone can replace human creativity. While Frase is powerful, content still requires human editing and strategy to resonate with audiences. Advanced integrations and team management features may be limited for large-scale enterprise needs, and pricing increases with additional seats and features. In conclusion, Frase Enterprise Marketing Suite App is ideal for enterprises looking to streamline content creation, optimize for SEO, and leverage AI insights. Its strengths lie in research, AI-assisted writing, and workflow efficiency. Enterprises maximize value by combining AI outputs with human strategy and editing. When used effectively, Frase can accelerate content production, improve search performance, and enhance overall marketing productivity.